Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Maya tutorial how to move pivot point. So as example, we will insert this object polygon cube and then you can scale the polygon. Now if you want to move the pivot points into like in the corner, you can select the move and then you can tap D. After it you can click on the corner, the pivot will be moved in the corner. Click outside and then click again the object. Now you can see the pivot will be changed into the selected corner. If you want to back this pivot into center, you can click this icon and the pivot will be set into the center. Okay, I will change again with this move tools. You can tap D to move. I will move into this corner, click, and the pivot will be moved. To make center, you can click this icon. Okay, that's it for basic Maya tutorial, how to move pivot point. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.